Did I not go red cap?
No, I didn't.
Oh! Hello everyone and welcome to Shard TCG. Today we are playing Booster Pack Bingo!
Go!
My name is James.
And I'm Richard. Let's crack open some cards.
Yeah, so I made these little bingo cards because I thought we could do another booster pack opening. And this just seems like a more fun way to do it. So we've picked some of our favourite creatures. So as we open these booster packs, we'll see what we can mark off. And we'll see who wins a bingo. Oh, don't flip them.
Right, I'm ready.
Okay, so when we get to the end of this video, we'll count up to see who's got the most if none of us got bingo first. I know that's not the way to play bingo, but that's just how we'll do it to make it like a little bit competitive, you know? We'll see who wins. I'll pick a pack. Here we go.
I think I went first last time.
I'll have this one, right? Now we're both marking them off at the same time, okay?
Okay.
So it's not a case of
I'm eager.
picking the pack. Oh, Ghoul?
Oh,
Do we have Ghoul?
No
No Ghoul.
Oh.
Yarrow? No Yarrow. No
Oh,
second scout because we're not doing spells. And we got a stone shield.
Oh,
got
no,
Gorgia.
Gorgia. Damn it.
Oh!
Oh, what's this? Oh, there we go.
We'll have a winner pile and a loser pile. Thresher? No. Lunar Corruption? No. Nairo? Nope. Tangled Web? Nope. Nymph?
Oh, Nymph. No.
Nope. Building up your hopes. Alright, take roots.
Ichi.
Each-a-tick. I bet you thought about each-a-tick, didn't you?
I did.
But you didn't go with it.
Nope.
Feast and the Fallen. False Tribute.
I nearly went that one as well.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's too big for my end.
You've just got a Trent.
I got an end. He's got a Trent.
Okay.
Hmm.
Beatha, you've got Beatha.
Oh,
Oh, I haven't got any yet. Come on.
that's a ultra, isn't it?
Which one? Beatha. No, it's just a
Yeah.
rare.
Oh,
It's just a
it's
rare.
rare. I can't count dots.
You can't count
Got a
dots. So these are my cards for the next
Yeah.
game?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's organised.
Alright, game on.
Oh,
Let's do it.
game on. Grave mistake. Oh, do I get bonus bingo?
No, you don't get bonus.
Oh, with some spells.
Yeah, lots of spells there. Oh, I went with Demarix.
He's too hot. Shambles? No
No,
shambles?
no shambles.
Oh!
Neemlif?
Neemlif! Oh,
For God's sake.
blessed day.
I haven't got any.
Within throws.
Okay.
Evocation orb.
At least this
Reaver.
makes the spells useful for the next match.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a good point. Each a tick again. Eruption. Wraith. Did you go for a Wraith?
No,
you
I didn't go Wraith.
Zephyr.
God's sakes, give us something.
Mystic
One more.
Death.
Wendigo?
Wendigo. Did I do Wendigo? No.
No, I thought about Wendigo as well. Oh my god, I'm not doing well.
Oh no, you're not. Feeling pretty confident about this now.
Here we are. Flip them.
Vesp. Oh, I nearly went for the Vesp.
You thought about it, didn't you? But you didn't go with it. Well, me neither. Sharoof.
Oh,
Sharoof is on fire. Sharoof. Okay. Life Phylactery.
Call it Sharoof. Frostweaver.
Frostweaver. Nobody went with Frostweaver. Draugr. I was looking at Draugr. Oh my god. I haven't got any Wyvern's Rose. The neck. Oh, just no.
Oh god. What's going on?
Oh, Cryothite.
I really like this idea, James.
Do you? Yay! I've got that one. Oh, Nature's Growth. Eruption. The new iridescent lighting without the dodgy blur.
Cinder.
No, none of us went Cinder.
Zephyr.
No.
Alchemist Elixir.
None of that. Gravion. Oh, I like that for when we battle. Pixid. Oh, for God's sakes.
Vixen!
I need to catch up.
That's a rare as well. Oh, Reaper.
Oh, ultra rare Reaper.
Oh.
That'll come in handy when we battle.
Nice polo, isn't it? Yeah.
I know, I'm going to lose the bingo, but I think
But
I'll
you
win the
win
fight.
battle. Yeah.
Yeah. Got my Beather. I've got my Reaper. Watch out.
This takes me back to when I was young and lived in Devon. Used to play bingo all the time. Got a Necrovore.
Necrovore, okay.
Iore.
An IRA.
Roa. Getting all their quacks. Except the Lastodon. Pressure. Oh,
Neoliv, oh, you're getting double to Sharoof! Sharoof is on fire! Oh god. Was that Serpix? Nope, I've got the other two worms.
Chained in Thorns, Waterwick.
Remember when we used to go into Newcastle and buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards and go across the road and open them at Pizza Hut?
Oh, no, that's good. I used to love doing that.
Good times. Manticore! Manticore! I've got Manticore.
Oh, that's a good one. It's a nice rare there, James. I feel happy for you. You needed that.
It's good. You need to knock out the rares.
Two fat ladies, 88.
The two fat ladies, Manticore. I was going to say, I remember one of the times when we went to Pizza Hut.
Oh, yeah.
And, what was it like? It was you, me, and Adam. Because we were all into our Yu-Gi-Oh! And, oh! Fenebris.
Oh.
Fenebris. I've got a Fenebris.
Bingo. Oh, wait, no.
Bingo. Oh, no. You got me carried away. That was genuine. Like, oh, bingo, what?
What?
Bingo. I'm just a sheep. Oh, God. So, yeah, I was saying to Adam, like, oh, I remember we were so lame that we couldn't wait to open our cards. Because I left mine in my bags thinking, like, we're so lame that we couldn't even wait to open our Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And then yeah, there was you, just hunched over in the corner, rifling through your torn open packets.
Yeah. Now I would open them in the shop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
no, Nairo. I thought you might have. Oh, red cap.
Oh, yeah, red cap.
Did I not go red cap?
No, I didn't.
Oh! I thought I went red cap.
You made the big goose sheets, didn't you?
Yeah, I thought I went for it. No. Wisp! Wisp! I got a wisp.
Oh, well done.
I don't know why I said it like that. Oh, mine are pretty spread out so far. Oh, Jengu? Oh, Jengu. Another iridescent lightning. I know what kind of deck I'm going to build. A white? Nah.
Oh,
Ent?
Yeah.
Bingo! What? Alright, we're into the rares. Tethril! Tethril! Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I'm not getting as many, but I'm knocking out the rares.
Yeah.
So
Tell you what, bingo's a game of quality, not quantity. You get a line.
Mm-hmm. Oh, mine are nice and huddled up here too. Though I don't know.
Although I've got
We'll see. Okay, Wendigo again. And what? Another Oh god, Richie, you're gonna get crushed.
Ultra-res. Oh no.
Couple of Reapers for me.
Okay,
here we go.
on Calc.
Calc. Nobody's got Calc.
Gravity Crush.
No.
Shambles.
No, nothing on the shambles. Like Kosa.
Etten. We don't have that one. Esoteric Barrage.
Oh, good card to have. Nope.
Shield Transfer.
Eye of Havoc.
Serpix.
Serpix. No, I've had the Serpix before.
No, Blade.
Zaffin.
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 There you go.
Frickin' Zaffin.
Feast on the Fallen. Oh, another
right.
beautiful bonus points.
No bonus points. Stop it. Wendigo again.
Wendigo again.
What's going on?
Oh, Warg of that new art as well.
Mm,
Snarly boy.
very nice.
They could punch a hole in an iron wall, that thing.
He's got some muscle now. Always happy with the Warg. IRA with its new improved effect. Kokarian! Oh,
Oh,
there it is.
oh,
Oh, I'm not looking bad now, am I?
Bingo. Yikes.
Chaos Surge.
Clink. Oh, did I go Clink?
No, but you went Aglabemu Tadpole.
Oh, I did go Anglopemo Temple. Oh, one more for the bingo.
Did I go? No, I just went
Rano Tetra.
Ranotetra, yeah. Okay. Empathize. No. Etten.
Well, loads of Ettins.
Ursamorph. Lunar Corruption. Wraith.
Wraith. Spectre.
Spectre. Gotta whisper that one, have we?
Yeah. That's the rule.
Zaffin. Oh, bonus points for James.
No, we're not doing bonus points.
Oh, okay. Celestial Scripture. Manticore. Oh, I've already picked up the Manticore. Pixin. Oh, no.
Bonus point.
Oh, you've already got the Pixin. Never mind.
Yeah.
Reaper's Maw to go with my Reaper's.
Oh, God. Oh. Someone's having an undead deck.
Oh, yes. It's going to be very good. Let's see what you got.
Bonus.
Oh.
Bonus point.
Bone.
Bonus.
Alkanac. I didn't go with Alkanac.
Vested.
Oh, no. I got Vesper Queen.
Oh, that's not good, is it? Empathize.
Kabul.
Kabul?
Nah, you didn't go with Kabul.
Oh.
Kokarian
Kokarian.
again. Oh.
I'm not doing bonus points. Yarrow.
That's a shame.
Ghoul.
Yeah.
Serpix. We got loads of Serpixes.
Yeah, Cervix and Ghouls.
Sylph.
Mm-hmm.
Reaver.
Mm-hmm.
And Aegis.
Yep.
Life Harvest.
Okay, we're going into the rares. Here we go.
Naxos.
Naxxramas? No. I don't think I picked one. Explosion!
Well, that's going in my deck.
Okay, here we go. This is my last pack for me to build my deck. I haven't even been thinking about... Well, I say I haven't been thinking about the deck I've built. I was getting pretty excited with the Reapers, though. Flosari. Okay. If I can get this line with these last two packets, all I need is a Gekken and a Demerix. How close are you to a line?
I see the Gremlin.
Okay, so you're one off and I'm two off. Oh, it's all on this.
Oh.
Nature's Growth.
Oh.
Good Shield.
Oh, another surfing.
Another serving. Gorgamite.
I didn't go.
No, I've got a big wormy boy. Krusk.
Makosa. Iveshi.
Ivashi, no.
All of this.
Yeah, got some Spudders. Life Harvest. Fireball will end up with my deck, probably. Acid Touch. Alchemist Elixir. Another white. A Grew. Maybe I could build. Oh, what? Oh!
I went Grew.
Oh, God.
Oh, if only the Grew was in a better place.
Oh, Elemental Convocation.
What if we run out cards? Lurker?
What? Oh, man. Where are mine?
Oh, but it's not a gremlin.
Yeah! I've got my ultra rare.
Oh, wow.
Oh, well, that's like practically winning the game, isn't it?
No.
I think it is.
Nah.
Oh,
Maybe we should allow ultra rares on 2 tiles. That would have been interesting. So if you get an ultra rare, you get 2 spots.
Oh, there's an idea.
Oh.
Well, if people like the bingo video, we'll change the rules a bit and we'll do it a bit more. Yeah, I think this makes pack openings a bit more exciting. You know, we go through them faster because we're after the packs we're after the cards that we need. I've been waiting for Craxid. Where's the Craxid?
Yeah, we need Craxid. I'll make a bingo card generator.
That one.
Oh, Ramon, wait, did I choose?
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. Oh, I did.
Lots of empathizers.
Yeah, Cryophyte? No, for ice. Oh, Leechin. Did you go Leechin?
No, we've already picked up a Leechin earlier as well. Fenerbris?
Fenerbris.
Oh, I've done Fenerbris.
Oh, the bonus point.
Vespid! Ah!
Oh, Roa.
Red cap. Bonus points. Oh god, nothing's coming up. Come on.
Vulcan. Did you go Vulcan?
No. Yeah!
Oh,
I've got something.
for you.
I'm so excited. Yeah!
Not the queen.
Yeah! Effion! No! Oh! You! Oh, and stolen prophecy to round it all up. Oh, I got a little excited at the end there. All I needed was the cracks. I would have got that line.
Yeah.
Oh, the cracks, it could have won it. All right, what was the total count then? Okay, so we're going to count off to see who got the most on our bingo cards. 3,
4,
4, 5. Oh.
6,
6,
7,
7. It's going to be close, I think.
8,
8,
9.
9.
Oh no. 10.
10.
Wow. 11.
Oh.
Mine's 1 inch bigger.
So you won by 1.
I won by 1 in the end, you see? Well, that was Booster Pack Bingo! Lots of bees there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to like, subscribe, check us out on Discord, head over to shardtcg.com, and you can also download this as a mod for Tabletop Simulator as well. Until next time, you want to do the Craxid thing now, James?
And like a Craxid, keep on rolling.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff, James. Good stuff.